Alright, sound test first. Exhaust installed. What's up again, peeps? Today we have another exhaust install. This time on a WRX. On Rylan's car. Everybody say hi to Rylan. What year is your car, Rylan?
2018.
2018. So this is a 2018 Subaru WRX. And he opted for the Borla full catback exhaust. What model is this?
S-Type.
S-Type. So I think the S-Types, a lot of the peeps in the Subi road are actually marketing for these. So I'm pretty sure this is one of those popular ones. I'm gonna install it. I'm not gonna do a full install vid. I'm just gonna do a comparison. So let's get to it. Alright guys, so what now? Alright guys, so what Rylan will do now is unbox his Borla catback exhaust system, lay them out, and we'll see what's in the box. Yeah. Okay, go ahead, Rylan.
Ooh, comes with the free dad hat.
Wow, what the?
All the hardware.
Wow, they hooked you up. That's
some big pipe, bruh. Some big pipe.
Oh
yeah.
Snap.
Oh, not a big pipe.
It's the white pipe. Right.
This one is the double-sided.
Double-sided tip. Double tip type pipe.
Double-sided multi.
Exhaust. So muffler. Okay, that's one muffler. Oh, stamped and all. And that's number 2. So Rylan, you think you're the first guy with a Borla catback exhaust system on the island?
I hope so, but if someone's rocking it, then shit.
Well, if anybody sees this video, if you have a Borla S-Type exhaust system on your WRX or STI, go ahead, comment in the bottom section below. Let us know what you think about it. But yeah, looks like Rylan's gonna rock it. He's gonna work hard with that cap.
Oh yeah.
He's gonna go work with that cap.
I'm gonna show the cat the business.
But there you have it. The whole shebang. Let's get it on the car. Like I said, it's not gonna be a full install video. We're just gonna install it and we'll do a side-by-side comparison and probably go for a little drive. Alright, ready?
Shoots peeps.
Alright. Alright guys, there you have it. We have installed the Borla S-Type exhaust on Rylan's WRX. We actually went out on a drive and it sounded nice. It had a real deep tone to it. Throttle response improved when we took it out for a drive. And installing these, you could actually hear the turbo spool a little bit better. So if you're interested in getting Borlas, if you're in the market for those brands, I would definitely recommend you to pick these up. I want to thank Rylan for bringing it in.
Thanks Sexy Sherms for putting it on. Thing looks fucking cherry. Thanks bro.
No problem bro. But yeah, that was just a quick video. Maybe one day we'll get sound clips for it, but all in all, I pretty much think that these, or this catback exhaust, I give it 2 thumbs up. If you want to see previous installation videos of exhaust installations, I will put links in the description below, so go ahead and check those out. That's the video. Hope you enjoyed. Go ahead, like, comment, share, subscribe. Peace. Aloha. Right? You good?
Thanks bro.
Alright bro, drive safe.